Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have another great gift idea for you. This may also be a giveaway, and always you can check our video description to see if there's a giveaway link there, and that will take you to our blog where you can enter the giveaway. But let's talk about this book right now. This is called Beloved, and this is 365 devotions for young women. So that means one for every day of the year. This is a beautiful book to give to a young woman in your life, whether it be your daughter, your goddaughter, your niece, your sister, your grandchild, your granddaughter. Let's take a look at it. In the beginning, we have an introduction. It's hard to be a young woman sometimes. We're bombarded with lots of different messages about who we're supposed to be, and often those messages contradict each other. So what's the right path? Who do we listen to? Which messages should be filtered out and which should be embraced? If we're followers of Jesus, we look to God's word for answers. What does God think about the issues we face? What does he say about who we're supposed to be and how we're supposed to act? What does it mean to be a godly woman anyway? We can find a lot of wisdom about this in Proverbs 31. But is that all the Bible has to say about being a girl? Maybe you feel like your entire identity as a woman can't fit into a proverb. Welcome to the club, sister. Few of us feel like we can be summed up in a small soundbite. Thankfully, the Bible has so much more to say about the unique challenges, the heartaches, and the high points of being female. There are dozens of women in the Bible, some named, but many unnamed. We're going to take a look at about 60 of them. Through their stories, we'll discover role models and cautionary tales, tragedies and triumphs, and guess what? The stories of these ancient women are surprisingly relevant to our lives today. Your identity as a woman matters to God. Beloved daughter. So let's see what he has to say about it. And then day one, so we have there are 365 days. There are lines where you can write some notes afterwards. They all start with a quote from the Bible or a verse from the Bible. And they go on and on. So let's just pick one randomly, day 103, right? I brought you up out of Egypt and redeemed you from the land of slavery. I sent Moses to lead you, also Aaron and Miriam. It's from Micah 6:4. So Miriam wasn't as perfect as the rest of us. She was a woman who had an up and down journey, an honored leader and prophet, a woman who let her arrogance cloud her judgment, a woman who was publicly disciplined and almost immortalized in song. Miriam was all of these things and more. But here in the book of Micah, hundreds of years after Miriam lived and God saved his people from Egypt, God once again honors Miriam by referring to her not as a person who made mistakes, but as a woman who he sent along with her brothers to save his. So, wonderful book. You can see more about it on our blog post. Rest in the assurance that you are truly beloved by the Father. And this has a retail price of $15.99. We've added it to our 2018 holiday gift guide at Mommy Ramblings. Has a beautiful silk ribbon to mark your place. And let me know what you think of this. Like I said, if there is a giveaway, you can look in the video description for the link. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.